Guys, it is Friday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. Today I wanted to come in and share with you the newest addition to my Louis Vuitton purse collection. It's right back there. You know, I feel like here lately on the channel I've only been doing either Watson videos, and for those of you who are actually new to the channel, welcome. And so if you're new to the channel, you may not know that my husband, son, and I just brought into our family a new addition, a chocolate Labradoodle. His name is Watson. He's 3 months old, and he's really been keeping us busy right now. Watson, no. Right now he's down here trying to chew on a cord. Please stop. No sir, have a seat. But anyway, it's our we just welcomed into our home a new 3-month-old chocolate Labradoodle. His name is Watson again. Okay, so I feel like I've been doing just Watson videos or renovation videos to the house. We're also doing our basement, which we are just about finished with. And so to come in today to share with you a new purse, it feels kind of odd, but I'm really excited to receive it. When I get new purses, it's usually Erik who does the purchasing of my designer bags. I typically don't buy my own bags. He loves surprising me with designer bags, and I love receiving them. Now, this particular purse has an interesting story that accompanies it, so I'm going to grab him really quickly and see if he will come in and share this unique story with you guys while I grab this doodle over here really quick. Erik has graciously agreed to come in and join us and share with you guys this what I think is a really interesting and kind of loving story kind of surrounding the newest addition to my Louis Vuitton collection, and then I'll share with you guys the unboxing, so we'll speed through this. So why did I get this bag anyway?
Because your birthday is coming up.
Yes, my birthday's in April. Yes. As you guys know, it is still March. So why did I get the bag early? Because
what had happened was, I got you one of these bags behind us a couple of months ago, a few months ago as a gift. And I remember I bought that bag from our local Louis Vuitton store. And I remember when I bought that bag, and I don't remember which one it was, but the salesperson was like, "You're lucky, this is like," they may have had, I might have gotten the last one, or they may have had one more. Wow. Which is just amazing to me how popular these bags are with y'all.
Especially certain ones.
Yeah, certain ones, exactly. Yeah. So I remembered that. So I'm like, okay, your birthday's in a couple of weeks. Let me go ahead and call the store so that they don't have it in stock. They could order it. Now, I thought they would have it in stock. Honestly, I didn't think the bag would be out of stock. Because how many stores did you check? There's 2 here in Atlanta. They're right up the street from us. There's 2 here, and I checked both of those.
And neither one had.
And I was surprised. I was like, it'll probably be in stock, but they were like, nope, not in stock.
Wow.
So, but they were real cool. They basically forwarded me to.
Stop, Watson.
I guess like their, you know.
Watson, no. Sorry, guys.
He's eating a phone cord.
Stop it,
Am I gonna have to hold him in the video? So they forwarded me to, you know, Louis Vuitton customer service. The lady on Louis Vuitton customer service, real nice, real cool. She's like, yeah, you know, it's not really in stock in stores, and if you want to order it, it would take about 2 weeks, which would put me, it was in risk of not getting here by your birthday. So she was like, but you know what, when was the last time you bought a bag? And I was like, well, you know, I was just at the store a few months ago and got her a bag. And she was basically like, since you're a loyal customer, because they have your name, your email address, so they pull it up by your email address. Since you're a loyal customer, hold on for a second. Let me see if there's a store that has it that can ship it to you.
So they put your information in and saw that. Because I was wondering, like, can you lie and be like, well, I just bought one yesterday?
No, because they had your email address and phone number. So they found a store in New Orleans. It was actually a Saks Fifth Avenue in New Orleans. And put me through to the local lady that works there. She was real nice too. Was like, yeah, you know, I can ship it out to you overnight. Now, originally I had asked for them to ship it to the store here in Atlanta. Pick up. Yeah, because when you get, you know, some of the stuff you have to get a signature, and I hate, and you guys probably have this too, you hate having to sign for something because you got to wait around all day. Yeah. So I tried to get them to ship it to, Watson is now biting my feet. Chewing on my feet. I tried to get them to ship it to the store here, but they wouldn't do that. So that took another extra day, ended up having to get it shipped at home. But long story short, got it shipped from New Orleans here. Everybody at Louis Vuitton was real cool, so I want to give a shout out to them, especially the store in New Orleans.
Wow, And it got here yesterday, well in advance of my birthday. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this infamous bag. Which one did I get? All right, guys, so Watson Doodle. Quick question, do you guys keep your bags and boxes that your designer purses come in? The bags and boxes they're really nice, they're very well made, but I just find that I don't have a lot of room for them, so I always toss mine. So here's the box. All right, so let's see what purse we got. All right, go.
Because Watson loves boxes.
Oh yeah,
it's his favorite toy. I know he wants to get his mouth on this one.
You can hold him right there. So guys, this is the elusive Alma, okay? As you guys can see here, oh, I'm about to wring Watson's neck. I have it in the damier print. I love the damier print, guys. I love this bag. I have been wanting this bag forever. So babe, what size is this?
That's the MM, I think, which is the larger one.
Yes.
And again, a pretty common, popular bag. I was surprised it was out of stock. Y'all are killing these bags.
Yes, yeah. I love it. I love it. Gosh, I know you guys have seen reviews on this bag, so I won't hold you up going into a whole lot of detail. I will, however, go ahead and open it up for you. It has the red interior. It has the lock pouch with it. The lock is already on the bag. Here it is here. It has...
Does anybody ever use that lock?
Right. Maybe if you're traveling and, you know, you want to lock your bags up, but there's some stuffing here on the inside that I'm going to remove. But yeah, that's the way it looks on the inside. As you guys can see, it zips all the way down on both sides. There are two pockets here for your cell phone or whatever you want to put in these pockets on the inside. I just love it. Eric has grabbed my other Alma. Yeah, so let's look at the size difference.
Yeah, so this is the other size.
Yeah, it's quite a bit of a difference. Turn it sideways, babe. Let's see. Yeah, I just like large bags. Let me know if anyone else is like that. I love large bags. But anyway, here are the feet on the bottom. It's always great when you have a designer bag and it has the feet. That way you can kind of protect the bottom of your bag. I love the Alma in the monogram print. I really do love this bag, but as you guys can see, it has already patinaed. I think I talked about the patinaing of my bags a few videos ago, and now I just love the sleek look of the damier, you know.
Yeah, and on this one, the darker one, I guess the leather, that patina isn't gonna happen because this is darker.
Right, so I just love that. I am just so thankful for my purses. I love collecting bags. Like I said earlier, I never really purchased them myself. Eric always does a great job in listening to me and, you know, what I'm kind of dropping hints. And
let me, and here's why I do that. So it's a little bit of guy code here for all you married guys. It's when you're shopping for your significant other, shopping for women, clothing, stuff like that can be difficult. Yeah. It's hard to buy a bad purse. If you kind of know the purse style that your wife likes, this is really you don't really have to worry about you know, sizes and is she gonna like it. So this is stuff like this is a no-brainer for you guys out there.
I love it. I'm so thankful for it. Again, this is an early birthday present. I can't wait to see what he's actually going to get me on my birthday.
I'm gonna put that towel up in the basement.
Well, that is it, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this somewhat chaotic nature of my new Louis Vuitton Alma unboxing. Thanks so much for stopping in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.